So I came across a comment on my YouTube video today which said something along the lines that I failed JEE and I don't want to disappoint my parents any further. एंड मैंने ये सिमिलर सेंटिमेंट के मल्टीपल कमेंट्स देखे थे एंड आई वांट टू एड्रेस दिस इन दिस वीडियो एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू से दैट ब्रो यू आर लाइक लिटरली 18 years old. At this age there's mostly nothing you can do to disappoint your parents unless you like go and kill a person or something like that. Yeah, that would be disappointing. But trust me, you're not disappointing your parents by failing JEE or not getting into IITs, because 99% of the other students also did not get into IITs. Even if they're showing disappointment, it's temporary and it's mostly because they want the best for you. And as long as you'll continue to keep working on yourself, that disappointment will go away. That's not an issue. And this self-help advice is coming from someone who was at a similar place at this age, or I should say a far more worse place mentally. And it wasn't because of failing JEE, like I had stopped caring about JEE much before the exam, but because of all the fuckery that this stupid ecosystem gets you into. Because you leave your school, you get into a dummy school, leaving behind your friends in this zero sum competitive environment, which after a certain point gets toxic, and you're not supposed to go out or do anything interesting at this time. And the worst part is, all this happens when you're 16. You're literally at the most unstable age of your life. It's like so much shit is happening inside your body, and you're supposed to sit at one place, watch these stupid teachers, mind my French, shilling their courses, telling you to sleep 6 hours, study 18 hours, and selling you dreams of IITs. And the problem with a lot of us, including me, is that we are not very extroverted. Like, I won't make friends unless I'm forced to do so. For example, in school, we were forced to be at one place for 7-8 hours. And naturally, because you were stuck in a classroom of 40 people, you made some friends. And the same thing is happening to me now at work. But at that time, I dropped out of coaching and school, and a lot of students do that, and they don't even have friends during these 2-3 years. So, since I wasn't forced to be social, I wasn't social at all at this period, and it had turned my life into hell. Like, going day to day was unbearable, and unfortunately, it's a common experience for a lot of students. And to make things worse, in our teenagers, most of us are perfectionists. Like, we have this idealistic view of the world and we have unrealistic expectations from ourselves. But जैसे तुम बड़े होते हो तुम्हें समझ में आता है that we humans are clumsy pieces of shit, especially when you're young. Like, at this age, तुम 10 काम खराब करके एक काम सही करोगे तो भी बहुत है. ये चीजें इंटरनलाइज नहीं होती है यंग एज में. लाइक, इवन इफ यू हर्ड अबाउट दीज थिंग्स लाइक परफेक्शनिज्म इज अ मिथ एंड ऑल, कुछ चीजें तुम हग कर ही सीखते हो. एंड इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेक दीज मिस्टेक्स. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेक मेनी मिस्टेक्स एट दिस एज एंड लर्न फ्रॉम देम, and be persistent enough to try new things and find some good moves and some brilliancies in between. That's enough. Those couple of wins out of 100 losses will sort everything out for you. And I'm pretty sure तुमने online ये graph कहीं देखा होगा, but I'll draw it out once again for you. On y-axis we have fuck around, and on x-axis we have find out. And I hope ये focus हो रहा है. The more you fuck around, the more you will find out. If you will fuck around less, you will find out less. So it's important to mess up, break shit. That's how you learn. Sorry, I got sidetracked, but basically तुम अपनी situation को objectively देखोगे तो एक पेपर ही तो खराब हुआ है. अभी तो बहुत सारे पेपर खराब करने रह गए हैं. That paper literally does not matter as long as you keep kicking up dust. And I would actually advise you to break more things, do crazy shit. Just don't murder people and stuff. And I'm gonna go throw up because I'm sounding like a motivational speaker at this point. So